optimally manufactured. This was the first prototype. A beautifully baked, thin wall thickness. Get the cocktail cone out of the oven. Yeah. Weld it together and that creates the outside. 16 at a time in the UniView. And the whole design used in the machine, small parts. Go LP gas, go! Yes! Hi there, today I would like to impress our customers with the packaging of our pizza cones. A little bit more detail on how we package the cones. Pizza cones are packaged 48 per bag, 4 dozen pizza cones in the bag. And they used to be packaged 6 rows of 8 each. That gives you 48. So 6 rows of 8, that gives you 48 pizza cones. Now, from time to time, you have a pizza cone that gets damaged in transit or in handling. And we thought of having a look at packaging in such a way that customers could have an extra pizza cone to replace the one that's damaged. So the latest packaging that we have at the moment is 7 rows of 7 pizza cones each. So it used to be 6 times 8 for 48, now it's 7 times 7 for 49. 1 extra pizza cone in the packaging for you, free of charge. 49 pizza cones in the packaging. That's the packaging of our large pizza cones. Now, getting to the famous cocktail pizza cones, my favorite, the ever popular cocktail pizza cones. These are also packaged 2, 4, 6 rows of 8 each. What's nice about 48 also gives you 4 dozen, but they tend to get mixed up a bit in packaging, handling like this. They don't stay in proper rows, they don't stay nicely packaged. So what we've done now, we have divided the packaging into 2 areas. So you get 2 different zones. It gets split up there, 3 rows this side, 3 rows that side. Still 6 times 8 is 48, but now you've got the option when you use the pizza cones and you've used the first 24, the other 24 is still sealed for freshness. So you could leave the other 24 or maybe just use the first 24 till that's used up before opening up the other 24. Marvelous idea. So packaging now split at 24, so you can see there 3 and 3 split in the middle there, vacuum sealed, vacuum split there into 24 and 24, where they used to be 48 and they got a little bit mixed up like this. It was a little bit more difficult to handle. Beautiful, our cocktail pizza cones, the most marvelous invention. I love our cocktail cones, they are fantastic.